What's going on, everyone? Today we're diving into one of the most powerful features in ActiveCampaign. That's automation. If you're not using automation in your email marketing, you're leaving a lot on the table. So let's fix that. Let's head over to the Automations tab. And we're going to click on Create an Automation. You'll see a few options. You can either choose from pre-built templates that are ready to go or start from scratch if you have something specific in mind. For this tutorial, we'll just start from scratch to see what's possible. The first thing we need to do is set up a trigger. Now, a trigger is what kicks off the automation. It could be anything from a new subscriber joining your list to someone clicking a link in an email. So to set up a trigger, let's choose from the list of options. For example, let's say we want to send a welcome email whenever someone subscribes to our newsletter. We'll select subscribes to a list as the trigger. Yeah, so here you just choose a list you want to monitor. Let's say, let's leave it as any list and then click on Add Start. All right, so now that our trigger is set, we can start adding actions. Actions are what you want to happen after the trigger occurs. For instance, we might want to send a welcome email, tag a contact, or wait a few days before sending the next email. So to add an action, we're going to click on this button and select what you want to do. All right, let's go ahead and choose Send an email. So you can go ahead and create a new email or just use a template. So let's go ahead and call this just test email. And then we're going to start with a template. Let's do text only for this example. Great. So as you can see, you can drag and drop different actions, set conditions, and even add wait steps to time your emails perfectly. Once you've added all the actions you want, it's time to finalize your automation. Give it a name that's easy to remember, like, let's see, welcome series. There we go. All right, so make sure to test it all out. And when everything looks good, turn on your automation by clicking active here at the top. Now your automation will run on autopilot. And if you're not already using ActiveCampaign, you can try it out for free by clicking the link in the description. Seriously, this is a feature you don't want to miss. I'll see you in the next one.